Yeah, welcome in, guys. We are in this trade. Wow. Major break. It didn't do what I thought it was going to do right away. But did get down to where I thought it was going to go. I was kind of waiting for it to hit that line, and it did. And yeah, that line is no longer. Looks like it's no longer. I guess this could win. This could, no, that line is no longer going to be obeyed. Is it? No. I'm going to let that be. My initial thought would be take another trade, but look at it. It hit that line and just totally broke it. I was waiting for that to hit there, and it totally did exactly what I did not think it was going to do. I've been known in the past to chase trades like this, to chase them down and to try to make them work. But this trade right here looked perfect off this bottom. It had a hit there, and it bounced off those hard both times. And in the 10-minute, looks like it was the same way. I mean, obviously it decided to just trash break through there. So we're going to call that a loss, 195, right? Yep. That's the first one in as a loss. We're down one, -1. -1. Yeah, didn't go any way that I thought it was going to go, at all. This one's sort of the same thing. It was going up. It sort of broke down. It's been playing here. I guess I just need to find. I don't need to be too worried about that trade that on the Euro USD that just totally broke through my. Yeah, it totally broke through. Continuing way down from where I thought it was going to go. Way outside of bounds. So it got some crazy pressure. It's 11 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time, maybe. I'm just going to look for a different opportunity. This one's kind of sitting on a nice, pretty line, but I'm not sure if it's. Yeah, it hasn't really RSI touched. Look how far it went up. I won't be reactive. I don't think I'm going to be reactive today. Because in the 10-minute, that looks like nothing. I mean, it looks like it could have been here, but here is different. Here's really where the next line of interest would be. Yeah, right around here. And we see how that got down there. Yeah, we're gonna say that's gonna be a call if it gets down there, but that's pretty far. But that's kind of what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for like real opportunities. Not just like things that I think are gonna happen. So this one down here is a long call right here. If it gets down to right around down here, we'll start watching it. Yeah, it gets right down around here. This is about where it got down to last time. That's a pretty sure thing if it gets down there. For me, it's a sure entry. This one's wicking back, but I'm not going to get back involved in that one. This right here, CAD JPY, looks like a really good one. If it can get down there. It's in an uptrend. It's been going higher. It has been trending higher. Had a couple really low down dirty down dips down here, like dipped away down here, dipped away down here. But I'm looking at this opportunity right here. It's might play right here. And this one right here is just still, look at how funny it is. It's just still way down there. You can't know for sure it's going to retract. It could just keep going. It's in a weird position. This one right here looks like it could be, it doesn't really show me anything real great here in terms of direction. Yeah, so you kind of just got stuck up there. Huh. You just got stuck up there. This one's going up high. But is it going to reach up to that level up there? The problem with this 10-minute level, it's got levels here, it's got levels here, it's got levels here, it's got levels here, got levels there. Even a lot of jaggedness there. If there was any stability in the level, it would be zooming out like right here. It would be like right in here. And got up right about there. And got up right about there. It hasn't, this one makes me think, looking at the 30, it makes me think it's going up. But it also dipped way down here. Like if you look at it, Yeah, this one right here, I mean, it looks like this trend line is good here. I mean, it's kind of been, I'm going to buy that for 5 minutes based on the upward trend. Based on the upward trend and the reach above. So I guess it's kind of wicking out on top here, but if you look at it in the 1 minute, it's sort of consistently going up. So I took my chances on that upper level, that up motion, that uptrend. Is the trend your friend? That's what I want to know. Is the trend your friend? Oh, hey, we got some chats. Hey, man, love the channel. Keep up. Hey, it's Hellboy. It's Hellboy. Yeah, man, the last couple days I've had some killer trades. I think I won, until I lost that trade a minute ago. I had won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row. All separate trades, it looks like, from 2 days ago through now. So I had 3 wins at the end of that session, 3 wins yesterday. And this is a long trade. This is a 5-minute trade. It's breaking the structure a little bit, but we'll see. If this is a complete turnaround, then I mean I've just lost the trade, but I don't know. I still think it could go up. It's hitting the white line. It's hitting the white line. It's been going higher and higher every time. Yeah, I don't think it's going down there. I don't think it is. It's kind of going down here. I'm going to buy another 10-minute on this. So I've got 195 on a 5-minute, and then I have 195 on a 10-minute. I'm kind of trading long today. We're down 1 trade at this point, just down 1. So if this trade pressure goes where I think it's going, and it stays up there, I've got 2.5 minutes for that, 2 minutes for this one to go. I'm trading with the trend right now. Sometimes I trade in this little small area where I'm trying to figure it out, but the trend here is up. Yeah, it may want to dip a little bit, but I think that we've got up pressure coming. Let's look at the 10-second and see. The 10-second kind of, makes me wonder. It's been kind of going up and down, up and down. I've got a minute and a half left. It's kind of been going in the 10-second, but it's still going up, and this is a pretty low point here, so we'll see. I can't take myself too seriously, guys. Whenever I'm doing something that I'm really good at, like playing guitar or, just something. Oh, tuning pianos. That's what it was. I was tuning pianos the other day. I'm really good at tuning pianos, and that's a skill that I learned and that I teach people how to do that. And I was wondering, I was thinking how easy it is to tune pianos, for me. And I was wishing trading was that easy. I was just thinking, man, would it be great if trading was as easy as if trading was as easy as tuning pianos for me. Like I could just be good at it. You know what I mean? It's got some weird. I gotta be careful not to get too crazy on this double up here. It's got 30 seconds. That's a double up on 30 seconds. $12 seconds. Watch this. 12 seconds. 9 seconds. It's getting down pressure. Hopefully it can go back up. Nope. That'll be a loss and a loss. So I'm down 3, -3. That's all right. Man. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? All right. Feels not great. This one has 6 minutes left, but it feels like it's going down now just because it's kind of stuck here. I really thought that this was like big picture going up, Maybe it isn't. Maybe it's, maybe it's just going down because, well, I mean, it's kind of flat, I guess, but it has been going up and down different ways. But even that trade kind of burned it. So not to burn another trade on that same chart. Let's wait until this chart gets down to the bottom here. This one's actually down there where we want it. This one's really down where we want it. Look at it. It's down there. If I can just get right down there, I'm going to watch the alarm. I want a good position. That was probably a pretty good position, but I think it could get better. What is this? CAD JPY, and then this one's over here. Okay. This one's been going down. I'm just going to let it go down. I want it to go down. I hope that wasn't it. That doesn't, I mean, that was kind of a little bit of an RSI touch. At some point, it's going to turn around, though, I think, and it's going to go all the way. So let's watch for that to happen. I'll just take a peek over here. Yeah, this has got 5 minutes left. Now, this one still could win. It doesn't appear that it's going to because it kind of broke its structure. It broke that white line, which really the white line was in the 1 minute. So it's a possibility that it kind of goes the other way and kind of fixes itself and goes back up. It's got 5 minutes. So that's actually good. This one right here, that could have been the moment right there. I think it's going to have the moment. I think the moment's going to come right here. Only thing is it's kind of played around. Maybe I shouldn't do a 5 minute. Maybe I should do a 2 minute when it gets down here. It gets down here. I should probably do a 2 minute. Just bank it on there. Yeah, if it hits down here on 30 seconds, I'm going to take it. Yeah, it's already hit down there and it's playing again. So hopefully it'll reach down there again. We've got 4 minutes left on this other trade. This one's going down. Oh, look at that. There it goes. Push. Give me another push. Give me another push. Give me another push. Give me another push. Oh, see, I think that was it. I'm still waiting for it to push. It looks like it wants to push further. I want it to get down to like the end, down where it bounced off before. Still at 92%. Checking all my numbers. There's where I want it right there. It's almost like it landed right on my thing. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Get down there. I'm gonna hit it again. There we go. 195 here. 195 here. 5 minutes. This is an RSI touch. Huge RSI level touch. Guys, this could be it right here. Look at that. It's got 4. This is the one that's got CAD JPY. It's got 4 minutes left. Kind of in the money here. CAD JPY. Actually, no, this one's, sorry. This one is CAD JPY. This one's in the money. And that one's got money. This one right here is CAD CHF. This one's got 2 minutes. CAD JPY is the one that has 30 seconds. It's tweaking out. Look at it. It's got 30 seconds. It's been up there and wicked down. It's going to hit this low level again, and it's going to make a decision. It's going to make a big decision here. It could pop right back up there. It's got 27 seconds. Looking at it in 30 seconds, it looks really, you know, it looks really good right there. I put a double up in there, 12 seconds. I'm hoping it pops back up. There it goes. 4, there it goes. 3, 2, there it goes. Come on, baby. There you go. There goes 2 wins. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. That's it. Alejandro, man. Whoo. 2 wins. All right. And I went off the bottom too, I think. Let me watch this. This one's tight. This has got 1:45. This one was sort of one that kind of went against me. It was a 10-minute trade. This has got 1.5 minutes left. This one, that one right there. I think I did a. This one was the one that I doubled up. Win. This one could win too. Well, it's not going great, but it's going a lot better right now, Alejandro, than it was a minute ago. And I have to do this because I just. So we've got, I guess this goes either way. I don't know that this win is in the bag. This one looks like it's struggling. I really still think this is going to win off this bottom. I think it's going to come off this bottom and it's going to win. But I'm going to hold my horses because I'm in deep right here. I've got 2 trades open. Both could go either way. I really thought this was going to win off this level right here. It kind of went below where I thought it was going to win. It's kind of fighting to get below that, but you know, it's at the bottom and it keeps jumping off there. So I'm going to let this one, I'm going to look at this one and see. This one right here looks very dangerous. It's got 20 seconds. It's hopping all over the place. Let's pray this one wins. Thank you, Lord, for this win. Look how it's hopping all over. I think today, this time frame seems to be very iffy to me. Come on, baby. Jump up. Jump up, baby. 8, 6, 5. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Jump up. Hit that bottom jump. It jumped down. All right, that was a loss. 26.53 is where I'm at right now. But I have a minute left. So that was a stinky loss, man. 26.53. 26.53. I'm down 600. So if this right here wins, I'll still be down. But this one is tough, man. I'm going to take that one as a 5-minute call because I think it's going to pop off that. And I need a win. It's got 47 seconds. It's kind of down there. The problem is it isn't really popping off the bottom, is it? It's going to. I feel like it's going to, but it's kind of playing. It's kind of playing. It's getting deep pressure. I want this one to win. This one's got to win. No, it doesn't have to. this lower level down here it's been playing on this lower level so much, you know? I'm gonna double that up. I don't want this one to win. It's got 11 seconds. It's like so close. Come on, baby. Just hold up. 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's gonna win. It's gonna win. No, it lost. Did it lost at the right side? Let me check. That was so close I can't even see. Okay, that one lost. All right, 22.63. Let's see where we're at. We're probably 22.63. I'm past my stop loss. So yeah, we've got to stop here. Unless this does turn around and this wins, I'm gonna have to just quit today. So I don't want to burn my account off here because I've been winning so many good trades lately. This line is not bad, but it's not as reliable as I thought it was going to be, right? I mean, I thought it was going to bounce off that line there. Look at it rolling away from my trades. It's rolling away. I have two. Let me put this up here. Yeah, it seems like. Yeah, double wins is good. This is just bad though. Like this looks real bad. This consolidated where I thought it was popping up. You know, it still has 2 minutes left, but it just feels like it's been moving so slowly and so bouncy. Unless it just tanks up. Nothing has tanked up lately in this chart. It hasn't. I mean, here it did. I guess these two could win, which would be a giant miracle. We've got 2 minutes left. We'll sit here and watch and see. I have to probably be done because I'm losing my progress from this week. I can't let this chart beat my butt. This one broke structure earlier and I lost on it. This one did not do what I thought it was going to say. I lost on it. And just typically in general, they've been kind of moving away from my thoughts. I thought that was going to do that and it didn't. Yeah, this one right here might win. It's still down there till so low. It's got 148. It's kind of in this big picture. Really didn't have much in the big picture. I mean, it's got this level here that it's hitting. I don't want to make up levels because I kind of do that in my head. I'll make up levels. This one right here. Well, it's like as it goes up, as it goes down. It's kind of, see how it's been just pushing down further and further. Doesn't have much of a level. It's kind of jagged here. I think I can find a better trade if I'm going to make a trade. So I'm just making those lines. Those lines are okay, but so much down pressure. So much down pressure. Right there, there's... So, yeah, this is a bad call here. $22.63. I need to do my math. 195, $22.63 divided by 195. Down 5. I'm negative 5 trades. I guess I can take one more if I can get myself up, because I told myself I could do that. But that's bad. Boom, boom, double loss. I don't trust that chart. I'm going to start over. I'm going to start over with my analysis here. I try to find something that looks like anything. They're kind of expanding. You know, these charts are expanding to me, and they don't leave me a lot of really good took some chances, and I just seem to be in the crook of it. I don't seem to be All right, man. Alejandro, we'll see you, buddy. Thanks for watching. Huh. I don't think it's going to hit a... Well, if the RSI touches up there, I don't know. That's pretty good. It doesn't want to touch. To me, they're not touching exactly. That would have been perfect right there. But I couldn't have told it. I couldn't have told that. The way this one's moving, it's not really RSI touching. It's kind of just jacked up, basically. Yeah, that's a pretty good line for the 10-minute segment, but it's kind of like it could have already been there. If you look at it, it's hard to know when it's gonna make its turn. That's a pretty good one. That was a pretty good line right there. It's like right in the ballpark of that, and then it had the RSI touch. It does look like it's in an uptrend though, so it could break that next time. It's just kind of stuck there, but it's in a pretty good uptrend. Oh, that was a great RSI touch right there. Reached up and touched and hit it. This one almost RSI touched. Nice little back and forth. I'm seeing some signs of some nice opportunities for RSI touches. Like this one right here. That one right there is getting close to an RSI touch in the 1 minute. I bet it's there in 30 seconds. I bet it's there. Yeah. I mean, it kind of went down there and touched. We'll give it 2 minutes and see what happens. Right now I'm only trading currency pairs. Right now it's CHF Nook is what I'm trading. I'm looking for RSI touch bounces. Not bad. This one's not bad. I mean, the chart's been so bouncy. This is sort of in a turnaround state. I mean, it wicked off there, but I've been losing in wicks. I've been losing in wicks a lot today. Yeah. EA puts right now. I don't know what that means. EA puts right now. EA puts. That could be a win. Well, maybe I'll just look for some good RSI touches. I've been trading in this certain way. Oh, look at that. That was a nice RSI touch. Really nice. It gets up here again. If it gets, maybe it'll touch again. I kind of feel like I already missed that one, but this one's a good one. This will be a good win probably. Unless it wicks down. Well, that's good. That's good. If I just focus and stay calm, I think I'll get this. No, I'm only down 4. Good. Okay, good, good. That was a good win. Yeah, see, this one's kind of playing up here. You know, it's like, is it gonna break back up? And I mean, it kind of, this would be the top level. Yeah, I don't know. This one's sweepy. This one's very sweepy. We'll watch. I'm gonna watch this one and see what happens. It's got upper. The last time it got up here, it went right back down. So this could go either way because it's kind of already almost up there. The RSI is not really touching. It's kind of already over touched. Let's see, it's consolidating in this upper level. It's not making, yeah, it's already kind of made its progress. It got up to this level right here, bounced down pretty religiously. If it gets up again, maybe it will. Let's set this alarm for this, and let's set this trend line for this. Let's set our assumption for this. It touches there and it goes there. So I'm going to set that there. Let me look around. Just kind of looking for some 30-second RSI touches. It touched there and it jumped, touched here. Yeah, it didn't all touch all the way. It's just been playing on that bottom. Pretty big play time. Yeah, this one right here. Huge downtrend. Let's see if there's any other levels that I can rely on. Not much here. It's kind of just acting funny. It's kind of got a big downtrend on the 10-minute. There's nothing here that shows me that's like really hardcore level, you know, other than this down here, but this is really messy. This is really messy down here. Maybe like right in here. In the 3-minute, that's not bad. Not a bad level. But by the time it gets there, it's going to be way over gone. Like it probably will just go down there. You know what I mean? It's going. Mm-hmm. That one was pretty much right up there on the. I don't want to trade off the long time though, because I've been kind of getting burned off that long term. Now, this time, I'm not sure if it gets back up there, if it's gonna what it's gonna do. There's a nice RSI touch. It touched down there and bounced right off. But it was underneath. To be honest, that wasn't really the RSI touch I look for. I look for more of a rising touch like this. This one's kind of already touched. Yeah, this one right here might actually be this line right here. That's actually the line I want it to touch. If I want to take a put, that's going to have to be up at that line right there. It's kind of bouncing back and forth, going a little higher each time. I make my assumptions. The session gets long because I was losing early. This one could be good. This one could be good. I'm going to take this to 1:30 though, because this chart's moving kind of crazy. And if this touches up RSI on this line right here, I'm going to put it. There it goes. It's going to go up there. It's going to touch again. It's already kind of touched here once. I want it to jump. I want it to jump there. I want it to just give it a little jump push. Give it a little push. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. See, it's getting stuck. But is it gonna give me an RSI touch? Maybe not. That's good enough. No, it's kind of been trying to break that, but it's been getting squished back every time. Yeah, man. Thanks, but we'll be putting out there with these tariffs. Yeah, I'm gonna win big, man. Hopefully today. Hopefully this day right here will be a win. I have to dig myself out of this little bit of a hole that I'm in. But if I'm patient, if I get patient during these times, I feel like I come in and I kind of just take my chances. Maybe I just needed to zoom in today. I was zoomed out today quite a bit. I was zoomed out quite a bit, and I lost several trades over being zoomed out, just thinking, oh, it's going to go down. Waiting for these positions and watching these charts. They're kind of moving in this weird sort of, so, this one right here also is trying to get back up to that line right there. And I think it's going to go down from here is what it's going to do. I think it's going to hit up there again and go back down. It's got 19 seconds, so hopefully it does stay up here. I think it's going to go down from here. I think this is actually going to win. We got 6 seconds. Thank you, Lord. There we go. There we go. There we go. There. Look how slow it moved. -3. If it hits that again, I'm gonna put it. It's kind of going higher, but it's getting stuck on these levels for a little bit of time. Yeah, it's getting stuck. Yeah, it's kind of got stuck here for a while, then it jumped up, then it got stuck here for a while. Oh, let's see here. This one never made it back up to its where I thought it was going to go. Okay, so I'm not bad now. 26.22. Down. I'm about at my stop loss right now. Oh wow, that's a 30-second. That's a double top. That's a big striker right there. Let's sell that down. See if that can actually work. It kind of takes some what is this called? Like some chances on these moments. I think that's sometimes the way it goes. Euro, RUB, OTC. Oh wow, look at that. That reached all the way down there. Yeah, that's just down there, isn't it? Oh, 70%. Okay, that was from an old. Let's watch this. See, that one right there looks like it's just going out of ways, right? Yeah, it's just going out of ways. I don't want to get caught in all these bad turnarounds. You know what I mean? Bad turn. Like that's RSI break is what it is. That's a break of an RSI. That's a double. It hits up, double breaks through. And then basically when you look at it in this, you think, I'm going to sell that. All right, 195, 195, and then 195. This is on 70%. This is same chart here. We'll watch that and see what happens. This one is going to be going down here pretty soon, I think. And that was a big, giant, long sort of RSI thing. That was a loss. This is a 5-minute up there on the top. We'll see if that turns around for real. This one right here might be gone. Again, it's just a really slow moving down motion. But it's got 3 minutes, so it could turn around. This one's got 5 minutes. And it's at, let's see if I look at it in the bigger picture. Yeah, it's at a really good level actually. This is killer right here. Look at that. It's got this big level that I'm at. I'm on that level. It's kind of hit there, went down, went up, went there. Last time it touched this level too, it sort of, but the problem is it's kind of at a low point in the longer hour, so you never know how long it's going to wait. And this is the 10-minute. This is the 1 minute. I'll sell that again down. I think this is going down. It's hard to know, but it's at a point where I think it is. This one's trending pretty hard. You're REB, so this one I actually think is going to go down. I think it's going to break down this level. I don't think it's going up. I mean, it is in an uptrend, but it's in that high dip of that up. I've got what euro? I've got LB. What is this one right here? Yeah, OEB USD. Yeah, these have 2 and 4 minutes. So if it can get below that level, then those two can win. This one right here, if it can get below that level, this one's the lost cause. This one's just out of there. This one's weird because it broke out of its level. You see that? It just kind of broke. Boom, boom, boom. It played, it broke, which kind of worries me. The breaking worries me. This playing worries me. This playing worries me a lot. This up pressure here, I've only got like 3 or 4 minutes, and it's still just playing high. 1842. I'm going to have to quit so I don't burn my account, and I'm going to have to just come back tomorrow and win some trades. Yeah. Down 9%, which is, basically 2 days. If these don't win. This one's probably definitely not going to win. Look at that. That's bad. That's real bad. And this one right here is still just acting kind of funny. It's got a minute and 3 minutes, but it's been just, man, it's really, it needs to fall. This needs to get below this level. My line, I am on a line. You know what I mean? I am on that trend line. I am on that line, and it is waiting, but it is playing above it. It is playing above it. It hasn't been doing anything that I think it's going to do. It needs to go down. There, it's got a minute, and so that Euro REB is out. It's totally lost. This could do it, and I could win these two. You know what I mean? Still going to be down pretty good for today. This right here could go down, and I want it to go down to that white line. It's consolidating. This is another line that it's got that it's playing on right there. If it can just get down to that line, it's got 20 seconds. Wow, it's only got 20 seconds on that bottom one. See, it's swooping up. There it goes. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's a loss. I'm stacking up the losses here, guys. Like, for real. I got to quit. I'll just come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. It's tomorrow Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, see, look at that. It's just running away. Raka. I made a Chinese sound there. Okay. it got itself a little bit of a move there. So I went ahead and I did the noise. I did a chaka chaka. That was like a Krav Maga move. It could win. Both of these could win. That would be great, because then we got 374 and 374. 374 times 2 plus 1647. We're back up to 2395. 2395. 2395, which is actually way better than we were. Yeah, we're down at our stop loss. 5.59. I hope this wins. This could be great if this won. I've been losing. I'm going to believe this is going to win. This is going to win, guys. This is going to hit down to this thing right here. It's going to hold down. It's not going to wick up. Even if it does, it's going to stay lower than my trade. That's what's going to happen in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It's going to be a good day, because we're not going to be that much past our stop loss. There we go. Boom. That was a good double up. That was finally a good double up. Let's make sure this gets in the books as a win. So we're down 5.58. So basically our stop loss is 5%. So that is our stop loss. That is our stop loss right there. And I'm kind of losing, so I think I can stop right now and not feel too bad about it, because it hasn't done, like I said, it hasn't done anything that I thought it was going to do. This one right here is actually, I could hit this one, because this one's like, oh man, look at that. It's up there. Euro GBP, is that where we're at? Yeah. This is the one that I wanted it to reach. I wanted it to reach up to my I wanted it to reach up there. It's hard to know if it's going to actually get up there. It kind of reached up here before and went down. It's kind of playing before, kind of playing up here. These charts have been kind of whatever you want to call it. They've been kind of all right, I'm going to do that one, because I think that's like the perfect trade. That's a perfect RSI touch. It's like a perfect RSI touch. Look at it. Touched it right here in this range where I'm at. 2201 plus 374, 2575. So this would be, if this wins, be at 2575. We'll only be down 695. We'll only be down 4.4%. Still not great, is it? Still not great. But crisis averted from getting our butts handed to us. This is still like touchy, you know what I mean? Touchy, because look at it. It's like, oh no, I want to go up. I want to go up. No, don't go up. Go down. Oh yeah, see, this one right here is like, yeah, this right here is up there. I hope it goes back down. Yeah, I don't want it to go up there again. This is the highest it's been right here in that time frame. It's kind of stuck right here right now. It's been up there before. You know what I mean? It's kind of flat. It looks looks really good on this end. But I think because today's been really hard and I've lost some trades just by seconds, I need to probably be done. Hopefully this one will win. See, it's getting its little, like, 10, 9, 8. There we go. Hold it up. There it is. There it is. It's going to hold up. I believe this is going to hold up. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Boom. All right. I'm within my stop loss, 25.75. And I'm going to be done today. So today was a loss, but it was only a 4.44% loss. Down 695. Down, what is that? 4.44%. Yeah, within our stop loss range, and I can sleep at night on this. Okay, I can sleep at night. I'm up overall. I'm still up $426. which is 7%, which isn't great, but tomorrow I've been winning a lot, lately. So that's the thing. Today seems kind of weird, So tomorrow will be day number 48. I just got to play it cool. Day 48. And we'll be at 25.75 starting. $25.75. Our trade will be 187. Our stop will be 1826. We got to keep that in mind. No trade below. This is for tomorrow. 1920. I'm going past my stop loss, to be honest. I'm kind of getting to the point where if I get below my stop loss, I just slow down a little bit, and then I just sort of be careful. I don't know. None of these charts are making sense to me. Like, they didn't do what I thought they're kind of trending. They're kind of bouncing. They're kind of trending and bouncing. I'm not really feeling so happy. This one, look at it. It's like RSI touch. That's probably, I've seen winning trades. That's the thing. I've seen the setups, and I was like, oh, that would win. And I watch it, and I'm like, yeah, it would have. I didn't take that trade. I've won a lot of trades in my mind today, just in my mind, really, just watching. And I've also lost a lot of trades in terms of like what I thought things were going to do, and they didn't do it. So that, that did what I thought it was going to do, and I won that one. But some of these charts is not doing what I think they're going to do. In fact, I'm going to try to find a different time to trade, because it's 12 o'clock now. So it just kind of feels like, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like I'm getting, at this time of day, it just feels a little awkward. I was going to trade. I don't have the luxury to hit. Okay, so I have to be able to lose, right? I have to be able to lose. This one hit there, bounced up, but then it's like RSI touching, but they're not long enough. I still would have lost. So tomorrow is going to be 187. Is going to be the trade stats, and I'm going to start editing videos and eat some lunch and not worry about it anymore. All right, so here's the outro. Join the tribe.
Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.